Hey everyone, welcome back. If the ING app keeps getting stuck on loading screen, it is often related to connection or app data issues. First, check your internet connection and switch networks if possible. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If it's not possible to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the ING app, swipe it away, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. After that, swipe down from your phone screen and then turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off and try again. Make sure the ING app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for the ING app, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes so app updated. Then restart your phone and then open the app once more. If the loading screen still does not move, go ahead and long press on the app icon of the ING app, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for your ING Australia banking, and then reinstall your app. Then log back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.